Hello everyone, I'm Dimitri. I'm an architect and instructor at Labideas. And in this lesson, I'll show you how we can calculate baseboards in AutoCAD in a very easy way. Remembering that by default, AutoCAD doesn't calculate the sum of lines or polylines, okay? To start, we have a floor plan here that has some baseboards, right? And let's suppose we need to calculate the footage of these baseboards, right? It's important that they're on a layer that can be isolated, okay? So I can click, for example, here on any of the baseboards. I go here to LISP, okay? We have a video that shows how to isolate layers and all that, so it stays in this configuration we're seeing, which is to hide the rest of the file and leave only my layer visible, okay? And then I have several pieces of baseboard here. If I select all of them here and give a properties, right? A PRO, it doesn't give the sum, okay? So we're going to need a little LISP file, which is like a plugin for AutoCAD. I'll leave the link here in the description for you to download, okay? So this LISP file that I'm going to leave for you, it's very simple, right? Its name is Tlen, okay? T-L-E-N. So with nothing selected, look at how it works, right? The little LISP file is here. Just drag it directly into AutoCAD, okay? This window will appear here. I can set it to load just once or always load. I'll set it here to load just this time, okay? And then how does it work? Very simple, okay? I'll type the name of the LISP itself, okay? T-L-E-N, enter. It'll turn into a little box here, right? My mouse, so I can select things. I select all at once and enter, okay? And then it'll give my sum of baseboards here, okay? So it's very simple. Once this LISP file is loaded, okay, I can redo the command there if I want, okay? So I'll go back here to showing my whole file. I'll select, for example, another baseboard, right? Another type of baseboard, which would be this green one. I'll isolate it again. So here's just the baseboard in green, okay? I'll type the command tlen, T-L-E-N, enter. And then I select everything at once, enter, okay? So I have about 44 meters of baseboard here. Of course, this plugin, right? This LISP, it would work there for other items that are linear, right? That you want to calculate in AutoCAD, okay? Remembering that we have the complete AutoCAD course here in the description, which is super cool. Just click and we'll see you then in the next lessons. Thank you very much.